engineering has always been about making the world a better place. For me, it started with solving problems that helped people, whether that meant fixing a broken toy for a friend as a kid or building a wheelchair ramp so my aunt could join us for the holidays. That instinct is what drew me to engineering. I chose to study petroleum engineering because I wanted a challenge. There were only 4 women in my class, and while the industry has traditionally been male-dominated, it continues to improve. What mattered most was finding people who shared that drive. We supported one another, encouraged each other, and kept pushing forward together. Today, I'm a Chemical Engineer 1 at Kuraray America's Washington work site in West Virginia. I work on materials used in windshields and architectural glass, products people rely on every day for safety and performance. When glass holds together, protects people, and performs the way it's supposed to, that's engineering in action, and that's the impact I get to help make every day. Engineering matters because it turns real-world challenges into real-world solutions. Engineering is about being boots on the ground, identifying problems, and figuring out how to make things better. Diverse teams make that possible. Different backgrounds bring different perspectives, and that diversity leads to stronger, more effective solutions. Engineering is about seeing challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities. And that's how we build a better future. Looking ahead, I'm focused on giving back in the same way others invested in me. Outside of work, I coach high school rowing and mentor engineering interns, helping them build confidence and see what's possible. Engineering needs curious problem solvers who want to make a difference. If you enjoy figuring things out, working through challenges, and helping people along the way, there's absolutely a place for you in engineering, and the future is better because of it.